Are you a good listener? According to a research in the US, you are likely to reply yes to this question because they interviewed over 8,000 people and asked them, are you better, worse, or equal than your colleagues? And almost everyone said that they were either as good or better in listening skills than their colleagues, which of course is unlikely to happen. My name is Giuseppe Conti. I am the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning. I have also done a research with 109 senior procurement executives, and I asked them, looking at those 22 negotiation competences, on which one you are better, on which one you are worst. And active listening was ranked 5th among 22 in terms of negotiation behavior that those procurement people were good at. Now, when I talk to salespeople, they tell me that actually the procurement people are bad at listening. There seems to be a mismatch between what we think are our listening skills and how our listening skills really are. So you may want to work on your active listening skills, and a good starting point may be paraphrasing. Paraphrasing means expressing the meaning of what you have heard with different words in a shorter way. Try to practice this time, and this will force you to improve your listening skills and get better at it. For more insight on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.